had you call because I'm so bored. All right, perfect. Give me 5 minutes. I'm about to go get ready. All right, see you later. Oh my gosh, I'm about to have
Baby.
fun. It's time for me.
Baby, where you
What?
going?
I'm going out.
What you mean?
I'm going out. The heck? What do you think I am? You think I'm a teddy bear? No, I'm not a teddy bear. You've been playing this all day long. Since I came here, you didn't give me no attention at all. So it's time for me to go and have fun, okay? I'm about to go get me some ice cream. So sit your butt down and play with your girlfriend. That's your girlfriend.
Baby, you're my girlfriend. I'm sorry.
Can you leave me alone? Now you want
sorry.
to give me attention since I'm about to go out?
You want to cuddle?
No, I don't want to cuddle. Keep playing your game here. Play it. You had your headphone on like this the whole time I was here. Play your game. I'm going out.
I'm sorry.
Get out of my way. I'm going
Where you
out.
going, my love? Stay here.